Welcome students. This is first chapter of science class 6th, food and its habits. Before starting this chapter, I welcome you to my educational channel RKS Online Classes.
Now in this picture what we are seeing these vehicles. For running these vehicles we require energy, and from where this energy we get this energy from fuel in form of gases, petrol or diesel. In the similar manner, human body also needs energy to perform its necessary functions. Now from where does human body gets energy? This is a big question. So human body gets energy from its food. Okay, now with this help of energy, what does the necessary functions does the human body do? Now let's understand. Which function does the food performs? Now let's understand. Number 1, food help in growing human body. With the help of food, human body grows. Number 2, food help gives us energy in doing daily work like playing, reading, cooking, eating, etc. Okay. Number 3, food help us to fight with diseases and remain healthy. With the help of food, we can remain healthy. Okay. Now in the last but not the least, number 4, food help us in repairing the body damaged tissues. Okay. On the basis of timing, the food intake can be divided into 3 groups. Number 1, breakfast. Number 2, lunch. And number 3, dinner. According to that, most of us take the food. There are two sources of food. Number 1 is plants and number 2 animal source. Okay, we are having plenty of plant and animal sources as food.
From plants, what do we get as food? Number 1, cereals. Example, rice, wheat, maize, etc. And what does we get from cereal? We get carbohydrate. Carbohydrate gives instant energy to human body. The second thing which we get from plants is vegetables. Example, methi, spinach, etc. Vegetables are rich source of vitamins, minerals, roughages. Vegetables can be root, stem, leaf, flower of a plant. Number 3, pulses. Example, gram, pea, kidney beans, etc. They are rich source of protein. Protein are the building blocks of our body. Number 4, sugar. We get sugar from sugarcane. Sugar is the most prominent source of carbohydrate. It gives instant energy to the human body. Number 5, fruits. Example, mango, papaya, guava, etc. Fruits are rich source of vitamins, minerals. Vitamins and minerals are very essential for our body. Okay. Number 6 is beverages. Just like water, the other thing which we drink is called beverages. In beverages, tea, coffee, coca, etc. comes. Number 7, oil. It is obtained from crushing the oil seeds of plants. Oil is used to cook the food. By doing it, food becomes soft and tasty. And number 8, spices. They are used to make the food very tasty. Okay. Now we will move to the next part. From animals we get as food are as follows. Number 1, milk. Milk is rich source of protein and vitamin. We get milk from cow, goat, buffalo, camel, etc. From milk we make curd, cheese, butter, ghee, etc., which are very healthy for human body. Number 2, meat and eggs. From animals we get egg and meat as food, which are very high source of protein, carbohydrate and vitamins. There are plenty of carbohydrate, protein and vitamin in animal meat and egg. Okay. On eating habits of animals, they can be classified into 3 groups. Number 1, herbivorous, number 2, carnivorous, number 3, omnivorous, and number 4, scavengers and decomposers. Now let's know what are herbivorous, carnivorous, omnivorous and scavengers and decomposers. Number 1, herbivorous. Herbivorous are those animals which eat only plants and their parts of the plant, for example cow, goat, camel, etc. Second is carnivorous. Carnivorous are those animals which eat only flesh of other animals, for example lion, tiger, etc. Okay. Third is omnivorous. Omnivorous are those animals which eat plant as well as flesh of other animals as their food, for example dog, bear, etc. And in the last we are having scavengers and decomposers, some animals and birds which do not hunt their prey but they eat the flesh of dead animals. Those animals are called scavengers, for example vulture. And some other organisms or animals which decompose the dead plant and animals like bacteria and fungi, those organisms are called decomposers. Okay. From here your chapter number 1 of class 6th science is finished. Now we will move to the second chapter. Thank you very much.